Exploring the depths. Understanding, delve into the story. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, delve into the story. Understanding phrases like this is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary. It's about unlocking a whole new level of language fluency. So, let's get started and delve deeper into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. To delve into something means to explore or investigate it deeply and thoroughly. The word, delve, itself suggests a kind of intense research or digging into a topic, much like an archaeologist might dig into the earth to uncover hidden treasures. When we use this phrase, we're talking about going beyond the surface level and really getting into the nitty-gritty details of a subject. When we talk about the story, in this phrase, it's not just about tales or narratives in books. The story can refer to any topic, situation, or background information that has depth and complexity to it. It could be a historical event, a personal experience, a scientific concept, or even a business case study. The key here is that there's something rich and engaging to explore beneath the surface. Using delve into the story in conversation or writing shows that you're interested in deep understanding and insight. Here are a few examples of how you might use it. In academic discussions, for my thesis, I really had to delve into the story of the Roman Empire's economic policies. In personal conversations, she shared the basics of what happened, but I'm curious to delve into the story of her journey. In professional settings, to solve this problem, we'll need to delve into the story of how our company's marketing strategy evolved. Understanding and using phrases like delve into the story can greatly enrich your communication skills, making your conversations more insightful and engaging. Remember, the beauty of language learning is in discovering the layers of meaning that words and phrases hold. We hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own explorations of stories and topics that interest you. See you in the next video.